thank you for having visual thinking. And then we're going to grab hands and bow. And then Marco, with your mask on, you don't do it right now. You'll run on, cartwheel, and then bow. With that. Perfect. Then we'll all run on, okay? Look at that. Can I see that? Oh, yeah. Okay. So, Elise and Sarah, go. And bow. The next girl, go. And bow. Ellie, go. And bow. All the girls, go. And bow. Right? And Marco. And bow.